Hi, I'm Jonathan Shelon. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at KraneShares, and we're here today to talk about our Defined Outcome ETFs, KPRO and KBUF. We launched KWEB in 2013, and it has since grown to be our flagship ETF and now the benchmark for China's internet sector. China's internet sector is a big part of global growth, especially when you consider that online retail sales in China were $2 trillion in 2023 compared to U.S. online retail sales of only $1 trillion. Over the last 10 years, KWEB has grown to be one of the most optionable ETFs among all U.S.-listed ETFs. We now have $6.5 billion in open interest. This deep liquid options market has allowed us to produce a volatility management suite for KWEB. In early 2023, we launched the China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF, CLIP, ticker KLIP, and we followed that up in 2024 with the launch of two defined outcome strategies, KPRO and KBUF. A defined outcome strategy typically defines a maximum amount of downside, say 10%, and also a maximum amount of upside potential. This is done by combining an investment with calls and puts. Defined outcome strategies are most effective when the investment has a lot of volatility, but also upside potential, which makes KWEB a good match. We built two defined outcome strategies to meet different investor needs. The KPRO ETF has maximum upside potential of 22.69% over its full outcome period and a maximum loss of 0. The KBUF ETF has maximum upside potential of 41.2% over the full outcome period and a maximum loss potential of 10%. We built KPRO and KBUF with a 2-year time horizon because based on our research, we found that KWEB had sequential years where it could be either up or down. For example, in 2019 and 2020, KWEB was up 29% and 60%. But in 22 and 23, it was down 17% and down 10%. At the end of the 2-year period for KPRO and KBUF, we're going to reset the upside potential for them while keeping the downside terms the same. The upside and downside potential for KPRO and KBUF do change over time, and that's why we publish daily updates on our website with the latest upside potential and downside loss potential. Despite China being the world's second largest economy and the world's second largest stock market, many investors have little or no investment in China. KPRO and KBUF were designed to help alleviate some of the concerns about downside risk while still allowing for upside participation. There are different ways to use KPRO and KBUF in a portfolio. One is just to use them individually. Another way is to combine them. And when KPRO and KBUF are combined, you can create custom return and risk profiles. For example, when we launched KPRO and KBUF, if you invested in them equally, you would have maximum downside potential of 5%, but maximum upside potential of 30%. This is a unique 6-to-1 reward to risk relationship. KraneShares Volatility Suite provides powerful tools for gaining exposure to KWEB and China's internet sector while controlling downside risk and maximizing upside potential. To learn more about KPRO and KBUF and our entire suite of ETFs, go to KraneShares.com. And for our daily blog on China, subscribe to ChinaLastNight.com. Thanks for watching.